this video, we're headed to Pocono Raceway in Pennsylvania to hang out with RR Racing and see some Lexus cars in action. Hello everybody and welcome to Marty Motoring. They're doing an event today called Hooked on Driving. RR Racing, as you know, makes performance parts and tunes and everything for a lot of Lexus performance vehicles and even non-performance vehicles like my 350. They do a lot of F stuff as well, superchargers, tunes. I have their air intake, pretty cool company, Pennsylvania based. I've done a video at their open house on my channel, so check that out. Today we're just gonna hang out and try to see some cool racing action, so let's go.
What is that?
It's a G sensor and GPS. It calculates your theoretical limit of your car and tells you using LEDs what percentage of the theoretical limit you're using at any one point. Like you're in a corner and if you see red dots, that means you're still not at the limit. You crash like, why? Why are we going so fast?
Oh, there were a
Computer
lot
told
of
me to
green
go
dots.
faster.
Yeah.
A lot of green dots.
I think I like the aggressive look of this one. I want something more subtle. One session. One very intense session.
Now is that manual or
No, it's computer controlled. That's the programmer. And we just had to press settings. That's pretty awesome.
So we just left the racetrack. We're leaving it right now, and yeah, it was a really fun day. Really cool to hang out. Want to give a thanks to Rafi of RR-Racing for inviting me out and getting some of the footage that you saw. Great weather, awesome track. It's my first time here, so just a really good experience all around. I'd love to take my IS350 to the track sometime and do this kind of event. Drop in the comments what you think. Should I take the IS350 to the track? Is that something you'd be interested in seeing? Just let me know below. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring to get the latest updates. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to support the channel and follow along with future videos. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.